Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope that you guys are doing really good, and yes, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be discussing about the last exact 15-day strategy, that what you should be doing in these last 15 days. These last 15 days are very crucial and should be utilized very properly. Why I have only taken 15 days is because the last 4 to 5 days you will be giving to your first paper, your first subject. So hardly there are like 15 days left. So what should be exactly done? We are going to be discussing that in our today's class. So first of all, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, go subscribe to the channel, because with the help of this channel, with the medium of this channel, I try to help, motivate, guide CA students in the best way possible. And also I take a lot of tests for CA Inter Audit so that I can help you all prepare well for your exams. So now let's get back to the video, that is the last 15-day strategy. So first of all, what I'm going to be suggesting you is revise your subjects. So these 15 days, give to your other subjects and revise these subjects properly. Rather than starting to study anything new, you should be crisp with what you've already studied. So rather than starting anything new, first of all, be sure, be confident, be crisp about the concepts which you've already studied. For that, please revise everything. Now break these 15 days in whatever subjects you have to revise and start revising your subjects. Okay? Because one day before exam, it is going to be really difficult for you to revise everything if you have not done the proper revisions right now. So before starting any new concept, please revise everything what you've already studied. Okay, now the next thing which I'm going to be suggesting you all is, if for the students, there are a lot of students who leave RTPs for the last. So now the time has come. If you have not completed your RTPs, start completing your RTPs. Do not leave RTPs and go for exam, because at times these RTP questions are straightforwardly asked in your exams. So please prepare the RTPs in case if you have not. Okay. Now there are a lot of students, they text me, ma'am, there are a few chapters that are left to be prepared. Do we leave that chapter because there is the time is so less? What do we do? So for those students, I'll suggest you one thing, that do not leave the chapter entirely. In fact, do the study mat questions and do the RTP questions of those chapters which you have not prepared properly or which are not completely prepared. So do the RTP questions, do the study mat questions. Do not leave the chapter entirely and go for exams. There are times when study mat and RTP questions are asked, so do them properly and go. And also one more thing, that chapters which have amendments or all the amendments, prepare these amendments and go for your exam, because amendments may say questions aate hain. Okay, and the last thing which I'm going to be suggesting, which is very important, is self-confidence. A lot of students tell me, ma'am, though we have revised 2 to 3 times each and every subject, but we are not getting the confidence. We are not sure if we'll be able to do it properly or not in exam, we'll be able to score properly or not. It's okay, don't worry, everyone goes through this feeling. You are not facing anything new. Trust me. Keep confidence on yourself. Self-belief is very important, because you all have prepared properly. So please keep confidence on yourself. Okay. So please be confident on your studies and your revisions, and don't worry at all, and do not panic at all. And at the end, do not watch any unnecessary videos where you are getting distracted and things like that. Keep your distractions away right now. Focus on your studies as much as possible. So I hope. And also, if you have time, also please attempt for the test series also, if it is possible for you. I am not suggesting any teacher's test series. Go to the ICI website, do the mock test papers available and solve them, and prepare well for your exams. So that is it for today. Have a good day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If it was useful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends so that they can also prepare properly. And that is it for now. Have a good day and bye-bye.